I'm excited to present key insights from our revenue analysis and discuss strategies for future growth. This presentation will focus on identifying revenue trends, top-performing countries, key customers, and opportunities for expansion. Objective. The goal of this analysis is to provide actionable insights that support revenue growth and expansion. We'll be looking at 4 key areas: revenue trends to identify seasonality, top revenue-generating countries, top customers driving sales, and product demand distribution to spot growth opportunities. Data cleaning and preparation. Before diving into the analysis, we ensured data accuracy through cleaning and validation. This included removing negative quantities, correcting incorrect unit prices, validating pricing consistency, and transforming the data for better analysis. With clean data, we can now confidently explore the key findings, revenue trends, and seasonality. Looking at revenue trends for 2011, we see that revenue remained stable for the first 8 months, averaging around $685,000 per month. However, in September, revenue increased by 40%, peaking at $1.5 million in November. This suggests strong seasonal trends, with the highest sales occurring in the last 4 months of the year. This pattern presents an opportunity to maximize promotions and inventory planning during peak months. Top revenue-generating countries. When analyzing the top revenue-generating countries, we excluded the UK, as it already has a strong demand. Instead, we focused on identifying growth opportunities in other regions. The data shows that the Netherlands, Ireland, Germany, and France are high-performing markets. By investing in these regions, we can further drive revenue growth and strengthen our market position. Top customers analysis. Next, we analyzed our top 10 customers. The results show that revenue is well distributed, with the top customer generating only 17% more revenue than the second highest. This indicates that the business is not overly reliant on a few key customers, reducing risk. Maintaining this balance ensures stability while allowing room for further growth. Market expansion opportunities. Looking at global sales distribution, we see that most revenue comes from Europe and Australia, while sales in the Americas, Africa, and Asia are minimal. This highlights a major opportunity to expand into these untapped regions. By developing targeted strategies, we can capture new markets and increase profitability. Conclusion and recommendations. Based on these insights, I recommend the following actions. Leverage seasonal trends by increasing marketing efforts during peak months. Focus on high-growth countries like the Netherlands, Ireland, Germany, and France. Maintain customer balance to avoid over-reliance on a few key buyers. Explore new markets in the Americas, Africa, and Asia to drive long-term growth. Thank you for your time.